Stay with us till the end. It's Too Sharp with ET. I'm Nisha Poddar. Trump says a trade deal with India is very close and hints that it could follow his Indonesia template. And Apple's iPhone exports from India, remember, surge over 50% as it ramps up production to avoid US tariffs on China. Trump hints at India trade deal along the Indonesia lines. He told that US-India trade deal is very close and it could really mirror the recent Indonesia pact. So Trump told the reporters that US is finally getting access to India after years of barrier. What does it mean? Well, the US-Indonesia deal grants the US markets full market access while imposing a 19% duty on Indonesian goods. Jakarta also agreed to the US to buy $15 billion in US energy, $4.5 billion in farm products, and 50 Boeing jets. So Trump said that India is basically working along the same lines and also promised the American exporters of a big opening. So India's negotiators are in Washington this particular week for the fifth round of talks on the bilateral trade agreement. They also, remember, racing against an August 1st deadline when higher US tariffs take effect. So time is short. But the trade experts are warning India not to rush into a lopsided deal. Some experts also believe that removing India's tariffs without reciprocal benefits really could be worse than no deal at all. So India has refused to open some of the sensitive sectors such as our dairy industry. It is also seeking lower tariffs on its exports, including textiles, gems, leather, shrimp. It also wants the US to roll back its 26% additional tariff as well as the steep duties on steel as well as autos. So for now, both the sides are aiming for an interim pact by September-October with robust trade continuing. India's exports to the US, remember, rose nearly 22% to $17.25 billion in the month of April and May, while the imports jumped 26% to $8.87 billion in May. Apple's iPhone exports from India jumped 53% in the first half of 2025. Apple has achieved its fastest ramp-up of iPhone production and also exports from India yet as it races to diversify away from China. Now, iPhone production in India rose 53% year-on-year, nearly 24 million units in the first half of this particular year, according to Canalys. Exports surged to 22.88 million units, up from 15 million last year. In value terms, iPhone exports from India hit $22.5 billion, a jump of over 50%. March saw a big push as Apple rushed shipments to the US to avoid higher tariffs. Now, Foxconn led manufacturing with more than half the volume. Still, remember, Tata Electronics is fast catching up, now producing 4 out of every 10 iPhones exported. So the analysts say that Apple's growing confidence in India is evident in its plans. And the upcoming iPhone 17 is expected to lab launch with day one manufacturing in both India as well as China. That's a big deal. And their production has also already started at Foxconn's Tamil Nadu plant. India's PLI scheme and improving supply chains are really driving the momentum. With that, it's a wrap. Thanks so much.